Hello everyone. Welcome to Yoga Volunteer Course. This is Anisha from Shyambhai Yoga team. First we will discuss about the course details. It's the Yoga Volunteer course duration is 36 hours. It will take up to 3 weeks. 3 weeks. I mean 21 days. So if we remove the weekends, because weekends are off, so it's a 15 days course. Okay. In 15 days course, you have to attend like 15 hours for theory and 15 hours for practical and 6 hours for the recording session we provide you in the portal, and also for the quiz and the assignment. So it's all about 36 hours. Okay, so the theory timings are 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. and the practical timings are 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. So these are the theory and practical times. You can join any one batch according to your convenience. Okay, then about the syllabus, this is a spiral model. एक spiral model है. So here there's no beginning and ending, and like every alternative days new students joins here. So like today if teacher is teaching you one topic, so that doesn't mean that your older topics have been like you have missed the older topics. Like you will see in 21 days your every topic will be clear, your every class will be clear. And after enrolling, we add you in a group. Okay, in a yoga volunteer group. I hope you are in a yoga volunteer group. And in the yoga volunteer group, you will see there are certain steps are given. Like step 2, you'll see there is a Google form link. So first you have to fill the Google form. Once you fill the Google form, then once you fill the Google form, then it takes us 24 hours time to generate your ID password. Once your ID password is generated, we send you a Google uh, email on your email address. Wait, I'll share the screen and show you how the mail looks like. Okay, then then you'll see this. You will receive a welcome mail from Shambhai Yoga. Like you can see here, a welcome mail from Shambhai Yoga. Here in the end, you have to log in. For the first time, you have to create an ID password. Like it can be one capital letter, other small letter, and one special character. And this will be your password. After creating your password, this will pop up in your screen, like all courses and my courses. So you have to go to the my courses, click on this icon, and here you will see the details about the yoga volunteer course. Okay, for me it is showing resume course, but for you it will show start course. So click on this, and after clicking on this, you'll see 5 categories, 5 modules are here. First, this is our introductory quiz. Then second, this is a theory recording classes. Then these are the practical class recordings. And here is the PDF and here's the quiz. This quiz you have to attend after 21 days. Okay. Know your journey, the first introductory quiz. Before we begin, then for me it is showing retake, but for you it will show start course. So click on this start course, start quiz. Then you'll see here are some introductory questions about your course and the syllabus. Like, do you know the timings of theory class? B. And do you know the timings of practical class? C. And have you checked the group description? Yes. And like this, you have to click answers. And after clicking the answer, you have to last submit here. Okay. After submission, you have to mark as complete. Like whatever is in your portal, like there are 5 modules, and in 5 modules there are 32 lessons, like 15 recording videos, 15 your practical recording videos, 13 theory recording videos, quiz, assignment, and everything. It's all about 32 lessons. So you have to mark as complete every lesson, every 32 lesson you have to mark as complete. Okay, after this we'll go to the next step. In next step, you will see here are the chapter wise theory class recording videos. You will see theory class recording videos chapter wise, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you'll see here are the recording videos of theory classes. So what you have to do is one attendance we take manually in the group. And for the second one, you have to come back to your portal. Like if today you have learn in the class like meaning and history of development of yoga, okay, so you have to come back to your portal and you have to click this video, complete this video. After completing this video, you have to mark as complete in the last. Okay, this will be your attendance, because we can like monitor like how many times you are like opening the portal. So you have to open the portal at least in a day, once in a day. So after this completing, you have to complete every video one by one, or you can do these videos. You can use this video on the weekends also for the revision. Okay. After this chapter wise course, after this chapter wise recording videos, after completing these videos, you have to go to the next step. And here are the practical class videos. Okay. These are the practical class videos. We have 7 different batches for practical class videos. You will see, you will get 7 different teacher perspective for the practical, like how they are teaching. Like you have to do the asanas with the teacher, but you have to be there as a teacher perspective also. Like you have to see what teacher is teaching, how she is giving instructions and all. So you have to be there as a teacher perspective. And then you have to complete one by one these videos also. The practical class, you can see the green marks. These I have marks as complete. So you also have to mark as complete. Then after this, you will go for the PDF. Okay. Then you can download your PDF from here. Click on the PDF. And after clicking this PDF, you'll see we have the PDF in 11 languages like Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, English. And this common yoga protocol book, Hindi and English, is provided by the government. Like the student who have done some courses from the YCB Yoga Certification Board, the government provide these notes to them. But these notes are prepared manually by the team. Okay, if I want to download the English PDF, I'll click on this YV English PDF, and then I will open this, and you'll see here's a detailed information about your syllabus, about your topics. The teacher is teaching from the syllabus only. So everything is interlinked here. You'll see everything is mentioned here in detail. Okay, after downloading this PDF, again, after downloading this PDF, you have to mark as complete this one also. Like you have to mark as complete everything. So after completing this, after downloading this PDF, you have to mark as complete. Then come back to the categories. And you'll see here is the quiz. This quiz you have to attend after 21 days. After completion of your course, you have to go for the quiz. First, you have to submit the assignment. Click on the assignment and download this assessment, like yoga volunteer assessment. This is a document. Here you'll see the assignment questions. Click on this. After downloading this, you'll see 5 questions of the assignment. Write the definition of yoga according to Bhagavad Gita and Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Write the names of different schools of yoga. Write all components of Ashtanga Yoga. What is meant by yogic diet? What is pranayama? Name any two. These are your assignment questions. You can write the answer here, type also, or you can upload a document. Like you can attach a document from MS Word, or you can like write on a page and then upload photo here. Okay, whatever suits you, you can do it. After submission, you have to mark as complete this one also. Then after the assignment, you can go for the quiz. But the lesson is locked. It is showing because when you post the assignment, then only you can go for the quiz. If you didn't post the assignment, you can't go for the quiz. Okay. So first, for the first step, you have to submit the assignment, then go for the quiz. Then, after completing this quiz, you can download your certificate, your internal certificate from the portal only. Uh, for the portal only. and I'll show you how your certificate looks like. Okay, so this is your certificate, this is your internal certificate that you will get from the Shyambhai Yoga. You can download the certificate from your portal only after completing your quiz. And for the government certificate, we share your details to YCB. Then after 14 to 16 weeks, it takes 14 to 16 weeks to come, and you will receive your government certificate by the WhatsApp only. We will share the PDF on the WhatsApp, and that's how you will get your government certificate. Thank you so much. And for any query, you can directly contact me on 8080305157. Thank you so much.